Alrighty, we're over here at the retention pond by the house. Let's get it going. Got a piece of worm on. There we go. Let's see what we can get going. Little worm with the split shot. Put my water bottle right there. I see Joe over there in a red truck. Probably can't see him on the camera. Alright. We got that out now. That's settled. Let me get the crappie rod to see what we can get. Man, they got 2 stringers full over there. Not one full. 2 stringers full. Man. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta leave some fish so we can be able to keep it going over here. We ain't gonna have nothing if people like that just keep taking them all. Y'all practice catch and release, alright, y'all? Wherever y'all are. A couple of them is cool, but when you have they got that, for sure they have over 10 crappie. Man. And this isn't the first time I've seen them over here either. So I know there are plenty of other times when they just taking them. That's crazy. Try to save some out here, y'all, so we can have some good fishing. Y'all keep taking them all. We ain't gonna have no good fishing. Those fish will be stunted. There'll be nothing but babies out here. No slabs. We gotta try to preserve them so we can catch the slabs. Cause them slabs are where it's at. You keep taking all the big ones, there's gonna be a bunch of little ones running around. Alright. Here we go. Just a small little catfish. Just a baby. Let's try to get something bigger. That's too small. Too small. We need some big ones out here. Let's try it again. We'll get it. Send her out. Oh, what the heck? Let me bring that back in. That didn't look right. Ooh. Alright. Oh. My weight is slipping. Dang it. Alright. Alright. Let's try that again. Now we throw it out there. Alright. Now let's see where that's gonna go. Oh, they got him on. Trying to catch me one now. You. Nothing. They outfished it over here. No. Oh, I'm getting a hit over there. That's what I'm talking about. No. Pretty sure it's nothing big, just a catfish. On a, yeah, on the piece of worm. Oops. I think he was just wrapped around my line. I set the hook and he came right off. Wow. Well, that sucks. Alright, let's try that again. I got one on as soon as I threw it up. Nice one. Wow. Look at that. Now that's a slab. They probably had 2 stringers of these. Man. There we go. That's a nice little one. Look at that. Pretty. Let's get that one back in. Man. Good to go. Ready for another one. That's one crappie, 2 catfish, I think it was. Let's get it. Man. What is that, a white bass? What the heck? I didn't even know we had this in there. Man. Look at that. I didn't even know we had that. That is crazy. I have no idea what that is right there. I think it's a white bass or something. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. I have no idea. But he just hit it right here at the end. Alright, there he is. That was crazy though. On the little pink head lure. Jig head. With a little bass looking little jig. Look, he still has that crappie bait in there. That is crazy. He literally hit right there where he jumped in. That's wild, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna try to get some more for y'all before it gets dark, because it's getting dark pretty quick. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, there's something on the screen. Give me a second. Alright, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some more for y'all. Right now, this is what I'm catching them on right now. This little pink little jig head with a little shiner looking soft plastic. I think that's what it looks like. A little minnow, something like that. And then I'm using this this power bait crappie nibbles. Here it is right here. Power bait crappie nibbles. Smashing them. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some more for y'all. Now I'm getting a hit on this one. This one should be another catfish right here. Got the little bend on the ultralight. Yeah, it's a little cat. Ew. Boom. Alrighty. Y'all give me a second. There he is right there. Little catfish. Little channel cat on a piece of worm. Hook right there in the side of the mouth. Alright, here he is right there. Let's get him in. Little cat. That one's on the piece of worm. Alright, let's get some more. Man, that was a big hit. He pulled my rod all the way down almost. Come on, come back. Dang. Alright, I'm gonna leave that like that. Hopefully it comes back. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, there he goes. Okay, you need me. You can't see me in the middle of the. Let's see. Okay. Whoa. That's a nice cat right here. Give me a second. Let me get my fish grips up. That is awesome. It's a little bit better. That's a little bit better, y'all. Heck yeah. On the piece of worm. There we go. Let me get that hook up. Or let me see if I can get it on camera out for you. Oh, whoa, whoa. Easy. Alright. Got that on camera, y'all. Alright. Let me drop my little crappie little thing. Alright. Little cat. Nice little channel. Let's release him right here. Easy. He's gone. There he goes. He's up. Man, another one. Alright, y'all. That might be it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to try to come out here for some more. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for watching.